For over 25 years, TrueNorth Health Center, located in beautiful Santa Rosa, California, has been offering a unique and powerful approach to health restoration and the continued maintenance of optimum health. The many doctors affiliated with TrueNorth Health, including medical physicians, osteopaths, chiropractors, naturopaths, and psychologists, take the time to review a participant's past medical history, carefully listen to the full range of a participant's health concerns, perform a thorough physical examination, order appropriate laboratory and other diagnostic testing, and then formulate their recommendations.
I think Dr. Goldhammer himself and his staff are very professional. I mean, it's a really good organization, and they're here to, and they know as much about medicine as I think a medical man really can know. And so I just find this to be as professional a place to do this kind of work as I can imagine.
The goal at TrueNorth Health is to create an internal environment that allows the body to heal itself while simultaneously educating our participants on methods to maintain a higher state of health to be continued upon their return home and ongoing throughout their lifetime.
I was on 9 different medications when I came. And through the process that I've been here for 3 weeks now, I'm going home on 1/2 of one medication. I was very hesitant when I came. I wasn't sure what it was going to do for me, but I came determined to do everything I could to get as well as I could. And this place has truly been a miracle for me.
It's what we call TrueNorth Health. Studies have shown that the adoption of a health-promoting diet and lifestyle are critically important to achieving and maintaining optimum health. Indeed, some of the most chronic, distressing, disabling, and deadly diseases in our society today, including high blood pressure and heart disease, diabetes, autoimmune disorders such as arthritis, lupus, colitis, and asthma, and many other disorders, can often be significantly improved and successfully managed by incorporating a health-promoting diet and a healthy lifestyle into one's daily life.
I'd been sick with lupus for a couple of years. I was so sick I could barely move. My joints were so inflamed and swollen, and I had to do something. I either had to go on a really serious drug, on prednisone, or do something else. Who would think that something as simple as what you eat could affect something as serious as lupus?
At TrueNorth Health, our fundamental insight is that health is the result of healthful living. Our program strives to educate our participants on issues related to diet and lifestyle, including the importance of a health-promoting, plant-based, vegan diet derived exclusively from whole natural foods and avoids the use of added oil, salt, and sugar.
About 3 months ago, I was told by September 1st of this year I'd have to have dialysis. And so I came to TrueNorth in September, spent 14 days here. I did not do fasting, I simply had the diet, and I have been able to avoid dialysis. I have to say, I know it sounds maybe overly dramatic, but in fact TrueNorth really has saved my life, certainly saved my life in terms of the quality of my life, not having to have dialysis and a transplant. It's really quite remarkable. And again, I have to confess, it's rather hard for me to really believe it's happening, but it is.
We also emphasize the importance that good quality sleep plays in restoring and maintaining health, as well as the critical role that appropriate exercise and body usage serves in maintaining optimal functions. Our twice-daily health education programs are comprehensive. Speakers include Drs. Goldhammer, Clapper, Isabeau, Lyle, Morano, Grund, and others.
The lectures that you hear over here from Dr. Goldhammer, Dr. Lyle, and the others are incredible. And you understand then that what you have been doing is wrong and why it is wrong. Yeah.
Some people come to TrueNorth Health because they just need a rest and want to experience the beauty of Northern California in a healthy setting. With reasonable fees and rates, a stay at TrueNorth Health Center includes a private bedroom and bathroom, a private phone with voicemail messaging, complimentary local phone service and phone calling within the United States, high-speed internet access by Wi-Fi, and complimentary personal laundry service. The daily rate also includes all of the educational programs and daily gourmet vegan meals prepared by our staff of classically trained chefs.
I'll show you a picture of how I looked in my 70s. 10 years ago, I was 85 pounds heavier. And this is just one picture to show how miserable I did feel. It is great to eat this diet and love it and also be thin.
At TrueNorth Health, all of our programs are designed to help an individual learn to achieve and maintain their optimum health in a comfortable and health-promoting environment.
If I were to grade my stay here, I would say it's an A+. It's been a remarkable stay. I really enjoyed the family feel that's here. There's a great feeling of community here, and I love it. The doctors come in the dining room and they eat with the residents. They mingle with the residents. You don't feel that they're aloof at all from anybody else, and that feeling permeates throughout the entire staff that's here. Everybody is so congenial and gracious and willing to help and concerned personally. I don't think I've ever been in a place where I've seen this kind of service.
One of the most unique aspects of TrueNorth Health is that we are one of the few facilities in the world to offer medically supervised, water-only, or juice fasting. Fasting can be an effective tool in helping individuals deal more rapidly with responsive conditions including high blood pressure, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders including lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, asthma, psoriasis, and many other conditions.
I had fibroids in my breast, and my mother and my sister both had breast cancer. The day the fibroids were discovered in my body and the tumor was discovered, I was told by the doctors that I needed to go in for surgery and immediately get these removed because we could not take a chance with a family history of cancer. And I did not want to do that. So I came here at TrueNorth, fasted for a month, and the fibroids just disappeared. I am also diabetic, and as of this moment, I can say that I'm not diabetic anymore because my sugars are in control. I've stopped taking the medication. The fasting sugar is at about 96 after breakfast, a whole bowl of fruit. So fasting to save your life, as the book's title is, I think is very, very true in my case.
It's given me back my life. In my 70s, I was sick. I thought, if this is how you feel when you get old, who wants to get old? I really understood that because I had been fighting fibromyalgia for 20 years. I had bad osteoarthritis. I just ached and hurt all over my body. On this diet, the inflammation doesn't occur in my body like it did from the bad diet. And I'm just free of aches and pains. And I'm 80 years old and I feel better than I did in my 70s or in my 60s or 50s. I can't remember feeling as good as I do now.
TrueNorth Health is a unique and transformational venue that can help you to achieve your health goals and meet others who can support you in those goals for a lifetime.
I'm Dr. Alan Goldhammer, Director of the TrueNorth Health Center. Whether you have specific health concerns, you're recovering from illness, injury, or surgery, you need to lose weight, or you just need a health-promoting vacation, or perhaps you're ready to undergo a period of medically supervised fasting, the TrueNorth Health Center may be a place to come and spend a few days or a few weeks. You can review information on our website at truenorthhealth.com and then give me a call. I'll help you design a program that will meet your specific needs.